Hello, and in this video I am going to show you how you do long division, because lots of adults and children struggle with this kind of method in math. So let's get into it. So the first step is, how much 67s go into 54? That is 0. So we put a 0 here. Then we drag the 54 to the 5. So how much the 67s go into 545? Now, this is the bit that most people struggle at, trying to find out how many 67s are in 545. So you have to have a guess. So imagine if it was, I'm gonna guess 8. So 8, then you times 8 by 7. So you times 8 by this number. So 8 times 7 is 56. And then you keep the 5 in your hand, then 8 times 6 is 48. Add on the 5 on 48, that is 53. So you put 53 down besides the 6. So now you take away it to see the remainder. So 5 take away 6, you can't do. So you go next door, borrow 1, so the 4 changes into a 3. The 1, you carry the 1 to the 5, that makes 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. So then 3 take away 3 is 0. 5 take away 5 is 0. So the remainder was 9. So I guessed it correct. So 9 isn't more than 67. So that can go into that. So we start and bring the 6 now. We move on to the next number. So 96. Definitely, you know straight away that 67 only goes once in it. But you see, we need to find out the remainder. So we times 1 by 67, that is 67. Then you take away it. So 7 take away 6 take away 7, you can't do. So you go next door, borrow 1. The 9 turns into an 8. And then you carry the 1 to the 6, that makes 16. So now, 16 take away 7 is 9. So now, 6 take away 8 take away 6 is 2. So 29. That was the correct guess again, because so the remainder is 29. It isn't bigger than 67, so we can go and drag down the 7. So now it's 297. So just take a random guess. I think 4. So just guess it, and if it's wrong, it's okay, because you can start and guess a different number. So 4 times 7 is 28. So put the 8 here and keep the 2 in your hand. 4 times 6 is 24. So you add on the 4 of 2, to the 24, that's 26. So then you take away this number by the 297, that is, so 7 take away, you can't do. So you go next door, 9 turns into an 8, and then the 1 goes to the 7 and makes it 17. 17 take away 8, 9. So then 8 take away 6, 2, and then 2 take away 2, 0. So 29 remainder. So there's no more numbers. So 840, 14 and 29 remainder. So this is the answer. So let's go do one more example, but 3-digit now. So let's go do 3, 6, 6. And always remember, you do this bit with a ruler. So this line, because I'm on board, I can't really use a ruler. So 7, let's go just do random numbers, 9, 6, 5, 4. So how much does 366 go into? Because 366 can't go in 7. 366 can't go in 8. But 378, 366 can go into 789. So just take a wild guess. I think 2. I'm just going to guess 2. So you times 2 by 366. 2 times 6 is 12. So you keep the 2, you put the 2 there, and you keep the 1 in your hand. Then 2 times 6 is 12. Add the 1 on, that is 13. So you put the 3 here, but keep the 1 in your hand. 2 times 3 is 6, and the 1 is 7. So, yeah, 7. So now, take away. So 9 take away 2, simple 7. 8 take away 3, simple 5. 7 take 7, simple again, 0. So the remainder is 57. So I guessed the right number. So the answer for that question is 2. Now let's go drag the 6 down. 6. Oh, still we can't do anything. Well, we can actually, yes. So we definitely know 366 only goes once in 576. So we put 1 here. But we don't know how much the remainder is. So we put 366 take away this number. So 6 take away 6, 0. 6, 7 take away 6, 1. 5 take away 3, 2. So that is our remainder. So let's go just write that line out. So 210 isn't bigger than 366. So 1 is definitely the answer. So now let's go bring down to 5. So we do another guess because I don't think. So I think I'll just guess 7. So 7 times 6 is 42. So do the 2 there, keep the 4 in your hand. 7 times 6 again is 42. Add the 4 onto 42 is 46. But you put the 6 there and keep the 4 in your hand. 7 times 3, 21. So add 4 onto 21, that's 25. So 25. Now, you see, this number is bigger than this. So we have to go smaller. So it has to go smaller. So I think 5. 5. Oh, sorry, that's about 5, isn't it? 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. So you put the 0 here, keep on the 3 in your hand. 5 times 6 is 30 again. Add the 3 on, 33. So you put the 3 here. Add on, keep the 3 in your hand. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 3 on, that is 18. So now we take away this. 0, the 5 take away 0, 5. 0 take away 3, you can't do. So you cross out, you go next door, take 1. 1 equals, it turns into 0. Then you carry the 1 to the 10 with 0, that makes 10. And then 10 take away 3, 7. But now we see there's a problem. 0 take away 8 is not possible. So we go next door, take away 2, that makes 1. Then you carry the 1 to the 0, that's 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. And then 1 take away 1 is 0. So 275. 5 is the correct answer. So this is 275 isn't bigger than 366. So moving on, our next and last number. So 4. So we do the same. I guess should I do 6? No, I think 7. Yes. Or should I? Yeah, 7. 7. Okay, so actually, yeah, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. So put the 2 there, keep on the 4. 7 times 6 is 42. Add the 4 on the 42, that's 46. Keep the 4 in your hand. 7 times 3 is 21. Add the 4 on, that's 25. Yeah. So now, we take away this. So 4 take away 2 is 2. Oh, 5 take away 6 you can't do. So you go next door. You take away 1 from 7, that the 7 turns to 6. Carry the 1 to 5, that makes 15. And then 15 take away 6 is 9. Then 6 take away 5 is 1. 2 take away 2 is 0. So that's, my guess is 7 correct. So here's the answer. 192 remainder. So 2,157 remainder 192. So that is the answer. So I hope you've understood this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching. Bye.